How to remove emoji from photo without using Photoshop. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove an emoji on our photo without using any Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, I want you to open up a browser and search for any eraser. You may just type in an eraser, and on the very first option you can see this first link here, which I just want you to tap on that link. For now, I'm just gonna upload a media that I want to remove the emoji from. For that, you need to create a Google account first. After coming here, just upload the media that you want to remove the emoji from. After that, just select the brush tool and use the eraser in order to remove the emoji from your photos. And just like that, you can use any eraser app and any eraser website in order to remove emoji from your photos. So therefore, follow the steps, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.